luck. Toastmaster Prasanna.
2 years back, my father and I were talking at dinner. My father told, "Son, now you're settled in your life, you are earning a handsome salary. It's time to take an important decision about your future. You should think about what you want to do with all this money." I said to my father, "Father, I have also thought about it. In fact, my boss has said to me that I should start thinking about investing my money in a good instrument." Suddenly, my mother came from behind, hit on my head, and said to me, "Stupid, you are as dumb as your father. We are talking about your marriage. When will you get married?" Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. How many of you have encountered this question in your life? I think everyone has. When I was asked this question, I told my mother, "Mama, I'm not ready." My mother turned around me and said, "Shut up! You are not ready. We were also not ready to give you birth, but we did. Now you're 24, your body is completely ready. Why aren't you?" Look, son, if you start today, it will take more than 2 years to find a good match for you. And when you are a mama's boy, you cannot argue with your mother. So I simply said to her, "Okay, mama, let's start searching." My father got retired that particular year, so he did not have anything much important to do. So take it as a challenge, very interestingly. And he took the front seat. I started earning money. I was busy partying with my friends, and my parents were busy making my profile on Sadi.com. On my 25th birthday, I was busy enjoying roasted chicken, and my father was busy picking good chicks on Bharat Matrimony. All day he used to do right swipe and left swipe. He has a very addictive attitude about this activity. He was so engrossed with that activity that he was finding a match for himself. I don't know why. One day I got a call from my mother. "Son, we want 4 photographs of yours and that one must be good." "And what is this complexion?" I told my mom, "Mama, skin color." My mother said, "Oh, my poor son, you are far away from fair and little closer to dark. So we need to write witties about your complexion. And no more compromise with your skin color. Start applying aloe vera on your face and turmeric. And tell your boss not to send you outside for office work during sunny days." That led me to vitamin D deficiency. Applying aloe vera, looking at me, applying aloe vera on my face. One day my maid said to me, "Dada, kichu habe na. Nothing is going to work. You are just wasting aloe vera." It's not like that I'm not excited about marriage. I'm really excited about it. Because in India, marriage is like a gateway to do what Americans do before their marriage. And a bride or bridegroom is excited. That is very obvious to understand. But why other people are so excited about your honeymoon? Such a joke. And when you have a problem, and when you are in your 20s, only one suggestion you will get from every people. There is a one panacea for every of your solution. Get married. Once I asked to my boss, "Sir, our canteen food quality is really pathetic, and because of which I am facing a gut issue." My boss said, "Prasanna, shadi kar lo yaar. Just get married and everything will be fine. Your every problem will be solved." What kind of solution is this? If you have a bad day, if you are really frustrated about your work, get married. If you have a viral fever and if you have a coronavirus, then get married. Totally ridiculous. And when you become ready to get married, then finding a girl in India is really challenging. then real battle begins. Finding a girl in India is like finding a paneer in Matar Paneer. You will only find Matar all around. One day, so it's like that one day my father selects someone for me and I might reject her. And if you select someone for yourself, then your mother reject that because in the first meet she didn't touch her feet. So it's totally ridiculous. And even you find that the girls' demands are also very absurd. If you ask a girl that what kind of boy that you want to marry, she will simply say, I want honest and humble. She will never talk about the real and the primary things that I want handsome, tall figure, skinny, fair, as well as rich. One girl rejected me because of my skin color. We all are hypocrite. We want Krishna, we worship Krishna, but don't want to marry Krishna. And those who don't know what Krishna means completely black. Hypocrite doesn't belong to any particular reason. Even my father and I have rejected a few girls because they were quite fat to fit in our house. Now I'm 27 plus. And I'm really fed up of doing this rejection game, rejecting someone and being rejected by someone. I'm completely tired of this game. Now I really think that my parents were completely right that time that if you want to marry, you should start searching early because marriage and getting married in India is really challenging. It takes time to find a good match in India. Because sometimes you have also heard this quote that right thing happens at the right time. Maybe marriage happens in heaven, but getting married really feels like a hell. And before, people used to ask me a question, Prasanna, when will you get married? Now I ask to myself, God, when will I get married? Do you know anyone, Toastmaster Shamantika?